What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick update. Friday, last day of solar. It was pretty much show up, take a little test, and get your certificate. We turned on the power and programmed, got some instruction on programming the inverter and all that stuff this morning. And while Todd was doing the programming and checking things out, touched the frame and got a good shock out of it. It kind of bit him a little bit. Not a good shock. We found out there was 58 volts going to the frame. Bogus. So, needless to say, hot skin, we needed to figure out what was up with that.
Now, hot skin is not what you think it is. Don't go looking that up. Don't type in hotskin.com.
So a few people jumped on that and they were tracking it down, checking all the work, and it was probably something from the factory. The way the breaker panel was jammed with stuff. Welcome to RV quality. The grounds and the neutrals were all jammed and tight. They weren't spaced out like they probably should be. So they fixed all that and everything turned out all right. The hot skin problem went away. It could be a serious issue when you touch the frame of your RV, and then if you're touching the ground, you could get shocked like crazy. So Todd said he felt it through the palm of his hand a little bit, like something was like a piece of little shavings or metal or something was like poking him or something, but there was nothing there. He checked it, and sure enough, 58 volts or 52 volts, I don't know, 50 something volts was in the frame of the RV. So good thing that was found and fixed. Hung out till about noon till the hot skin issue was fixed. Talked to some people, hung out, just, shooting the breeze a little bit. And then about lunchtime, took off, came back to the trailer, ran to Walmart real quick, hit an ATM, got some change for laundry, came back, did laundry, relaxed in the sun. It was like 73 degrees today. Just sat by the lake out there. Really not too much going on. There's supposed to be that windstorm coming through tonight and tomorrow. 30 to 50 mile an hour winds. So this trailer could be rocking. I'll probably go for a drive tomorrow. I'll go explore a little bit. I'll actually make a video not sitting here so you can, look at other stuff besides this beautiful beard. Final thoughts on the solar class. That's probably a good thing to put in these daily vlog updates. Final thoughts on the solar class.
Excellent! Excellent!
Worth it, for sure, worth it. If you're interested in solar, then I would say do it. If you have no clue about electrical in an RV or anything, don't do solar first. Do the fundamentals and stuff first. I feel that they would have maybe gotten more out of it if they would have had a little bit of knowledge coming in, or more knowledge than they did. The good thing is, like I said, Todd, everybody, they're great in explaining things, and they'll go out of your way to answer your questions and help you out. So definitely don't be afraid to come and check out the solar class. But if you're total newbie to RV stuff, I personally would say take the fundamentals class first. You'll probably get a better understanding. But if you have a general understanding of batteries, DC and AC, just even bare bones understanding, it'll be easier. If you don't know what watts, ohms, amps, and all that stuff is, it might be a little hard. But if you know your watts, your ohms, your amps, amp hours, watt hours, that type of thing, I think you'd be all right. I'm looking forward to fundamentals next week. I was talking to my neighbor. He just took the fundamentals, and then he took air conditioners this week. He said that it is awesome. So I'm looking forward to it. RV park pretty much cleared out a lot today. A ton of people left, and then people are starting to trickle in. I'm sure over the weekend, more and more people are going to come in. So, all right.
Party on, dude.